delicious prawn stew turkey neck with beans. So delicious. Welcome back to Nicola's Creative TV. Today we're in the kitchen and we're making some turkey neck. As you see from the title, you see what we're cooking today. And here's my turkey neck. I'm going to clean this properly, remove all the excess fat and the outer casing. Then we cut, washed, seasoned, and put to marinate. And then we'll come back to cook. At the store, they already do some pre-chopped, so I'm just going to follow the cut that they made at the store and do that, okay, as you see me do here. So if you're watching to this far and avid subscribers yet, please do so at this moment. Also, please turn your bell on for more videos, both seasonal and while I'm in the kitchen. So keep on watching, guys, and I'll catch you further on in the video. Onion, garlic, thyme, scallion, bell pepper. Then we add our seasoning powder. So just keep on watching, guys, and I'll catch you when it's time to cook. brown sugar to caramelize to give our turkey neck some color. As you see, I use a Jamaican browning, but I didn't use a lot because I need a different shade of color on my turkey neck. So here I'm just doing my caramelize, and when you're doing this, guys, you have to stay close because this burns very fast, okay? And we're just going to separate our season from the turkey neck. Stir well, then you cover your pot. Don't add water at this moment, but you're definitely going to need hot water, so put water in your kettle or on the other side of the stove. And the season we're going to use that further on in the video. So just continue watching and I'll come back soon. This is around 40 minutes in, and I'm just going to add my marinade season plus some carrots, a bit more water, and stir well so the sauce can start the cooking process. So just allow this to come to a boil, and then we're going to come back to add some more stuff. Around 5 minutes into boiling, now I'm adding some ketchup, some tomato paste. I'm going to add a can of bean, and we're just going to allow this to boil and reduce, and then we can adjust taste if needed. So just continue watching, friends, and I'll catch you at the end of the video. So there you have it, guys, my yummy, easy to make turkey neck and bean stew. This goes perfect with white rice or rice and beans, and it's definitely a must try. So thanks again for watching, friends, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye bye.